guess I'm cool. And those happy thoughts in my head, I'm feeling like I'm Peter Pan. Mind tight to the thirst, happy to see how far I've come to the same place. It began in my dreams, imagination, perfectly at peace. So I'm moving on a bit higher. I'll be up and away, cause ego drives me anyway. So whatever, I'll be up and away, cause in the end it drives me anyway.